Welcome to the Intuitive Hour with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Thank you so much, everyone, for being with me again today. This is the Intuitive Hour, Awaken Your Inner Voice, and I'm your host, Michelle Beltran. We're moving forward in my book, Take the Leap, What It Really Means to Be Psychic. Today I want to talk to you about the necessity of protection. This is chapter 24 of my book, and I think you're going to find this pretty valuable. This topic of protection. So while there is much that is positive about working with psychic sensibilities, there are indeed areas of caution. It's essential and compulsory that when delving into the world of psychic phenomena, you recognize the need for spiritual, mental, and physical protection. Protection must be considered not only for yourself, but for the safety of your loved ones. There are, we regret to say, spirits of lower vibration whose only reason for existing is to spread chaos and turmoil. They are spirits that want nothing more than to bring negative energy and negative situations into your life and surroundings. It's important to know when you're dealing with spirits or working to connect with them that there are good spirits and not so good spirits. The difficulty inherent in this situation is that you may not always know, at least right away, with which type of spirit you're dealing. You won't know the intention of a spirit until you make contact with it. Even if your goal is to connect with a spirit you already know is good, it's possible that a lower vibration spirit will intervene. As you proceed along your path of universal connections and higher planes of existence, you will be more aware of the myriad of spiritual energies around you. You'll be exposed to new realms of being, and as a consequence, you'll become more sensitive to their vibrations. This increase in awareness will bring increased vulnerabilities. Therefore, it's necessary for you to create a safe space where positive energy can dwell and negative energy is forbidden. Practicing psychics develop a protection rose or a prayer of protection to send a message to the universe of their strong intentions to be protected. A prayer of protection is personal and is often repeated aloud. Its power is in the strong intention of the practitioner. It's a prayer said before starting the day and before any reading or energy work takes place. While a protection prayer is a verbal expression, alerting negative spirits to keep their distance, a protection rose is a meditative energy tool that reinforces a clear boundary against negative energy. It acts as a filter to prevent energies, not your own, from accessing your space. It's a defense mechanism to ensure safe and protected sessions. To create a protection rose, you must first envision a rose clearly in your mind's eye. See the colors and smell the aroma. See the beauty of it from the ground up, along the green stem, onto the shape and texture of the leaves, to the actual shape and form of the rose petals. The vision of your rose and the pure essence of energy imparts will invade your space, protecting you with a strong, unfettered connection to the universe. Your mind cannot tell the difference between reality and imagination. Because of that, the unencumbered vision of your rose actively acts as your energy protector. The universe will honor your effort and your intention to be protected. It doesn't take long for you to establish a daily routine of envisioning your rose and employing the vision before you enter a session. Take the time and be safe. Remember that any routine is an ongoing process that only becomes a habit with practice and consistency. So here are some steps to create a protection rose. First, envision a vibrant, colorful rose and make it any color you desire. Second, make it as tall and wide as you are. Next, place it just outside your aura. Ground it to the center of the earth. And finally, state your clear intention for the rose to act as a filter to keep pure, positive energy in your space and to keep other energies in their space.
Thanks for listening to the Intuitive Hour with Michelle Beltran. If you like what you heard, please share our podcast with a friend and be sure to visit michellebeltran.com to get Michelle's popular Develop Your Clairvoyance ebook.